Okay guys, now we're going to focus on agyuki. So remember, again, hikote always with the block that's out. So remember how agyuki goes. It finishes in this position, all right? And then we come to the center and we come up again. The arm is twisted like this, in this position when it's finished. Remember we talked about twisting and the muscles needing to go in this like a kind of vortex, this spinning direction. All right, so remember how we did this. We were here, we came to the center, and then we came up from here. We came to the center and up from here, showing you from the side. Here, here. I'll count you through some so we can do it together. So, ich, ni, sam, she, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. So remember this is called agyuki. Ich, ni, sam, she, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. And again to the center. Ich, ni, sam, she, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. Okay, I want you to notice now when I pull back how twisted my hip is. I'm not stopping with my hips in a square position. I'm actually pulling my elbow back, so I'm slightly twisting. So now when you do your agyukis, make sure that you pull your elbow back. Ich, ni, sam, she, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. And some more. Pull this elbow back. Ich, ni, sam, she, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. Okay, so that technique is called agyuki. Agyuki.